This video is the fourth in a series of videos on Cubeviz. We will demonstrate how to use the model cube we created in the previous video to subtract the continuum from each spaxel in the original dataset. The ability to easily switch between the tool and the notebook highlights the power of Cubeviz. First, we export the model cube from Cubeviz using the Get Data from Viewer attribute. We extract the linFit cube from the Unsert viewer. Recall, our model cube represents a 3D model of the background estimate per spaxel. Next, we subtract the model background from the original data cube and save the resulting background subtracted data to a file. This is just a straightforward subtraction, although we do need to ensure that the two array dimensions match. We then open the new continuum subtracted data cube in the new Cubeviz window. We need to create a second Cubeviz instance because Cubeviz is currently only designed to handle a single cube at a time. Once the data are loaded, we can perform a box zoom. We can blink between our two instances of Cubeviz. As we expected, the new continuum subtracted spectrum is much flatter than before. This allows us to analyze the spectral lines of interest without contributions of any underlying continuum. To further illustrate the success of subtracting the underlying continuum, we can again look at the flux viewer. After adjusting the scaling, we scrub through the cube and see the red shifted and blue shifted outflows now stand out quite clearly. We can now analyze our line of interest. To do so, we draw a spectral region around the line. If you draw an unwanted region by accident, you can always delete it. Finally, we scroll down to the Line Analysis plugin. We choose the spectral region of the line of interest and define surrounding pixels to estimate the more local background. A number of values are automatically calculated, including the line flux, equivalent width, and centroid. This concludes our simple introductory videos to Cubeviz. There are many other exciting features and capabilities possible. Please be sure to click on the link to view our documentation and example Jupyter notebooks that incorporate JDAViz and other JWST data analysis tools and methods. Also continue watching to view our other JDAViz videos demonstrating how to work with imaging, multi-object spectra, and data cubes.